Hi guys, today we're going to be setting up some more experiments and we're going to be doing the chromatography experiment. Now in this experiment you're going to separate colors in a marker. So you're going to need some markers. They should be water soluble. These are the ones I happen to have at home. They don't have to be this brand. You're going to need some paper towel, and I've cut my paper towels into about 1.5 inch strips. I have 3 strips because I'm going to do 3 colors. And I have 3 containers of water because I'm going to do 3 different colors. I also am going to have some tape. So the idea is that you're going to put some marker on the paper towel. Then you're going to dip the paper towel in the water and let it hang there for a long time, for like a few hours. And you're going to come check it every once in a while. And the paper towel is going to suck up the water. And as it sucks up the water, it's going to grab onto where you drew your marker. And it's going to pull it up. And the interesting thing is that if there's more than one pigment in the marker color, they will separate. And the pigments that are lighter, meaning the molecules are smaller, will be able to travel further up the paper. And the colors that are heavier, and that means they have more bigger molecules to them, won't be able to travel as fast and they won't travel as far. So you should get some separation if there's more than one pigment in your markers. So you can try different colors and see what happens. All right, so I'll be back. I'm going to set this up. So first of all, when I make my marker mark, I don't want to make it right at the bottom. I want to go about an inch and a half up. So I'm going to do that right now. And I'm choosing a black marker, and I'm deciding that I'm going to do dots of marker across. So I'm doing like 5 dots. And I'm just making them nice and dark by going over them a couple of times. And of course, when you do this at your parents' house, put something under it. Because, I'll show you what happened. I just drew all over my counter. But it's water soluble, so I can wash it. All right, here's what my dots look like. See how it's about an inch and a half from the bottom? The next thing I need to do is I need to hang it so that it can go into the water. And I need to figure out how to do that because it needs to hang straight, and you don't want the marker to be underwater, but the paper needs to be underwater and it needs to hang straight. So I am going to hang this with tape from my cabinets. So you know how in your house you have cabinets, usually above the counter? There's my counter. There's my cabinets. I'm going to hang it with tape from here so it can hang straight down. Okay? I'll show you that in a minute. I'm going to set that up and then I'll show it to you. You need a really big piece of tape. Now see what I did here? I hung it. I hung it from the cabinet. Hold on. Can you guys see that? I did not put it in the water yet. I'm going to put it in the water in a second. But I just estimated that it would fit into the water with the paper towel being in the water, but the marker not being in the water. Okay? So now I'm going to do that. I'm going to actually take my water and put it there. And you can see the water starting to go up. And as soon as it hits that paper towel, that marker line, it starts to suck it up. I'm going to set up my other ones the same way with different colors. And I'm going to leave it here all day. And I'm going to check it every once in a while. So you should do this if you can. Find a place that's not going to bother anyone. Maybe off to the corner or something. You only have to do one. I'm going to do black. I'm going to do orange. And maybe I'll do brown. I don't know. Maybe someone wants to do pink or yellow or green. Whatever colors you have. If you don't have markers, try to use something that's, you know, water soluble. A felt tip pen, not a ballpoint. I don't think that'll work. Maybe a gel pen. I don't really know. Permanent markers won't work. Not with water. They're not water soluble. They have to be able to dissolve in water. All right, I'm going to set up my other two, and then I'll be back, and we'll be filling out our data as time goes on with this. Okay, I have my other one set up. I'm about to put the orange in. And now I'm going to put the brown in.